how to make rolled candles. Rolled candles are made with thin wax foundation. If you're working in a cool room, you may need to warm the wax lightly. Use a blow dryer or heat gun to gently heat a short edge of the foundation. Press the wick into the warmed wax and fold over the edge on top of the wick. While pressing downwards, start to roll the foundation, making sure the edges stay straight as you go. You can also flip the foundation around and pull the roll towards you. Use a blow dryer to lightly heat the seam and gently press to seal it. You can also lightly roll the candle on a hard surface. Trim the wicks on both ends of the candle, leaving about ½ an inch at one end. A single sheet of medium foundation will make a tall, fairly wide candle. For thinner candlestick diameter, just use a ½ sheet of foundation. To make a shorter, wider, pillar-styled candle, you can use shallow foundation and add a second sheet to your roll.